Thank you for your interest in StratiSystem, the infrastructure operating system for storage, compute, virtualization, AI, and HPC architectures. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install a Linux virtual machine. The first step, if not already completed, is to ensure hypervisor services are enabled in the cluster. This is performed from the provisioning engine. From the main menu, select option 16. Once successful validation has been completed, type Y and press Enter to proceed. After hypervisor activation, now proceed to the web-based management interface located at https:// any IP address in the cluster on port 3199. After login, proceed to the Virtual Machines tab on the left navigation bar. Then click on the button on the far right of the screen named Create VM. The new VM wizard is now visible. Give the VM a friendly name. Then select Local Install Media from the Installation Type drop-down box. In the installation source field, navigate to the location where the Linux ISO file is located. In this scenario, it is stored on the cluster under the ISOs directory. Ensure the operating system type is set to Fedora Linux 42. Leave the default value in the storage drop-down field as Create New Q Cow2 Volume. In the storage limit field, I'll set the maximum disk image size to 50 GB. This can be increased later if necessary. And finally, set the memory for the VM to 6 GB, and then click the Create and Edit button to commit the changes. You will now see the VM settings screen for the VM that was just created. We are now ready to power on the VM and begin the operating system installation. To do so, click on the Install button at the top of the pane. This will mount the Linux ISO and power up the virtual machine. In few moments, the Linux graphical installer will appear. In this scenario, click on the Install Fedora Linux button. Choose the appropriate language and elect to use the entire disk for the installation. When ready to proceed, click on the Erase Data and Install button. The installation process will take a few minutes. When completed, reboot the virtual machine. The Linux VM is now ready for production use. Alternatively, following the install of all required software packages and updates, you can sysprep the image so that it can be deployed as a template. This saves a great deal of time when deploying many Linux virtual machines. This concludes the demonstration of how to deploy a Linux virtual machine within StratiSystem. For more information related to SteelDome technologies, please visit our website at steeldome.com. Additionally, visit our YouTube page for more StratiSystem walkthroughs and advanced deployment use case videos.